Hey everyone, European Driving Academy here, and we're here to talk about the modifications we're making on our stock M3 today. So as you all know, the M3 comes with a staggered setup, 19-inch wheels, 265s in the rear and 245s in the front. This is great for a daily driver, but not good if you're tracking the car. So over the past 2 years, we've learned a few things about this wheel setup. Last year, we made some modifications and we kept the 19-inch wheels, but we went with a 305 setup in the back and a 275 running semi-slicks in the front. This was a definite improvement over the original setup, but it still had some weaknesses. The rear would put down some serious power, so that wasn't an issue. The issue was the front. The steering was not responsive at all. We wanted more. So this year, we've gone with an 18-inch by 11-inch wheel, 25 offset, square all around, 10mm spacers on the front. Now, in the back, this is not a problem because it's basically the same thing as last year. We've gone with an 18-inch rim instead of a 19-inch rim. And the tires last year were lower profile. These are higher, but the overall diameter is the same here. No problem on the back. The problem arises on the front. So how do you take this 305 and fit it into the existing wheel well of an M3? Is it even possible? Wasn't able to find anything on the internet. But I'll let you know what we did. So just to note, some of you might be saying, well, why don't you just go with a wide body kit? And that is an option here. But we like the lines of the original M3 and we didn't want to blow it up with those the wide body kits. Let's take a look at the wheel well. All right, so when we took this apart and we were testing the tires, they were catching from this point to this point. If you can see, pan the camera up here, there is a lip right here on the vehicle where they have soldered two pieces of metal together. And it goes from the bottom all the way to the top. The problem area is here. This is where there was extensive wheel rub. So what did we do? We took my husband's, we call this the Greek tool, Greek style, heavy hammer, and basically you just take the lip and by hitting it for a few hours, you flatten this lip out and it takes care of the problem. Now the 305s fit, no wheel rub. The other issue is here. The tires actually will stick out about 3/8 of an inch. Now I think I mentioned this before, but we're running stock suspension on this car with adjustable camber plates. If you don't want to roll the fenders, you can do adjustable top mounts. Give it about 2.8 degrees of camber and the wheel will fit in there perfectly with no adjustments to the fender. The next step here is actually taking this on a little test run on the track. That'll be in 3 weeks when we go to Watkins Glen, and we'll let you know what the outcome of the setup was. Thanks.